today's video, we're going to talk about a classic urban skating feature, and that's a hill. We're going to talk about how to go up a hill. Just like any other uphill activity, biking, running, walking, pushing something up a hill, going uphill requires more energy and strength. So with that said, I'm actually going to start this video just breezing through the ways of least resistance before we take a deep dive into skating technique. We're going to start with the side step, which is when you turn your skates sideways and sidestep. This one's great for beginners. My most important tip with this one is just to really be sure you're keeping your skates perpendicular with the downhill. You don't want to take a wrong step and start rolling backwards, which can be really scary. The one thing about the side step, it is a little slow. So there is the faster version of the side step, a crossover, where you cross a foot in front. The crossover gives you a little bit more speed. Some people really enjoy doing the crossover uphill because it is quick and it's also a really great workout. So some people like to, kind of get some pace to it. Up next, this one's kind of a last resort, is a way to get up a hill safely. And hold my mic. The uphill caterpillar. And crawling, also not recommended unless you're wearing knee pads because it could rip your pants or hurt your knees.
Only do this if you're super tired, folks, and you're a beginner. Otherwise, try to muster up the strength and get up the hill on your feet.
When you stand up, you want to be sure that you're facing with your skates not rolling on the downhill. And you'll take a knee push-up off your knee. It's time to get into skating up the hill in a way that optimizes your energy efficiency. Make the shape of a V, and you're gonna do the duck walk. It's a little different than flat ground duck walk though, because you actually want your steps to be a little shorter and a little snappier. And this also kind of depends on how steep your hill is. If your hill is really steep, the steeper it gets, you want to turn your skates even more sideways. And as I mentioned before, this does take strength and energy, so then you're just going to push strong and hard. Big pushes. I know what you're thinking, Coach Polly, how do I get down the hill? Well, lucky for you, I already made my how to go downhill video, so you can go check that out. If you have any more questions after watching, let me know in the comments. Another helpful tip for skating uphill is to get speed. So if I'm out skating and approaching a hill, I get as much speed as I can while it's flatter to get my momentum going before I take on the hill. Skating uphill is literally the best workout on the planet. So good for your legs, your quads, your glutes. Totally my favorite kind of leg day. So my best advice now is to go out, go skating, get strong. It's all about strength to get up the hill. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.